Hello everyone, and welcome back to Pinnavex. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a crypto payment QR code. It's an innovative way to make crypto payments seamless and professional. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to pinnavex.com. On the homepage, you'll see the option to create a QR code. Click on it. This will take you to a section with different QR code types. Here, select the crypto payment QR code option. Step 2. You want to use the drop-down menu to select your preferred cryptocurrency. Step 3. Enter your crypto wallet address. Ensure it is accurate, as this is where the payments will go. Step 4. Input the amount you want to receive. You can specify the value in your preferred cryptocurrency. Example, 0.005 BTC. Next, you want to customize your QR code to give it more unique and professional look. You can customize the style, eyes, color, frame, and text, add a logo, and even background image to your QR code. Lastly, ensure your QR code is scannable before using it in any production. Scroll down to the inbuilt QR code reader here. You should see QR code seems to be readable, but don't stop there. Scan directly with your phone to double-check. Then you can download your QR code in preferred formats, PNG, JPG, and others. All completely free. No sign-up is required. However, if you would love to save your QR code for future edits or track your link performances, I recommend creating a free Pinnavex account. Now let me walk you through the process. Scroll up to click on the Sign Up button. This will take you to the registration page where you need to enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm you're human. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Facebook or Google account with just a few clicks. Then click on Register. Once done, an activation link will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your email inbox, click the link to verify and activate your account. Now, this is our dashboard where you can manage all your QR codes and track your link's performance. First step here is to click on Generate QR Code. This will take you to a section with different QR code types. Here, select the crypto payment QR code option. Give it a name. Step 2. Setting up your coin payment QR code. This step is essential because your QR code will enable easy and accurate crypto transactions. Let's go through the sections. 1. Select the type of cryptocurrency. Use the drop-down menu to choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive payments in. Example, Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH. 2. Enter your crypto wallet address. Ensure it is accurate, as this is where the payments will go. 3. Input the amount you want to receive. You can specify the value in your preferred cryptocurrency. Example, 0.005 BTC. Once you've filled out these details, double-check them carefully. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is critical. Step 3. Customizing your QR code style. Now that your details are set, let's move on to styling your QR code. In the Style section, you'll find plenty of options to make your QR code unique. Choose a design that reflects your brand or personal aesthetic. As you make changes, you'll see them instantly reflected in the QR code preview. Step 4. Customizing the eyes. Next, let's customize the eyes of your QR code, the 3 corners of the code. Adjust the inner and outer eye shapes to align with your desired style. Explore the various options and select what works best for you. Step 5. Adding colors. Now, let's make the QR code visually appealing by adding colors. Under the Colors section, customize the foreground and background colors. For consistency, use colors that match your personal or brand identity. Ensure the contrast is strong enough for easy scanning. Step 6. Adding a frame and text. To make your QR code more engaging, add a frame. In the Frame section, select from a variety of styles. Include text on the frame to guide users, such as Scan to pay with Bitcoin. Send ETH payment here. You can also adjust the font and color of the text to complement your design. Step 7. Adding your logo. Let's upload your logo to the QR code. This could be your company's logo or a crypto-related icon. Use the logo size tool to adjust its size and position within the QR code. Step 8. Adding a background image. Want to make your QR code even more eye-catching? Upload a background image. Choose something related to your brand or crypto theme. Be mindful that bold images can interfere with scannability. Use the background transparency tool to adjust the opacity, ensuring the QR code remains readable. Step 9. Testing the QR code. Before finalizing, it's crucial to test your QR code. Scroll down and use the built-in QR code reader tool to confirm functionality. You should see a message like, "QR code seems to be readable." Also, scan the QR code with your phone or crypto app to ensure it works correctly. Step 10. Create and downloading your QR code. Once you're happy with the design and functionality, create and download your QR code. You can save it as a PNG, JPG, and that's it. You've successfully created your own coin payment QR code. This tool makes receiving crypto payments easy, fast, and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more tips and features to streamline your crypto and business transactions. Head over to Pinnavex.com and start creating your QR codes today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.